Welcome back to another technical deep dive here in the debug zone. Today we're tackling a big question and breaking it down with insights from other users. Hopefully this clears up some misconceptions and helps you get the answer you need. So buckle up, stay a little curious, and let's jump right in. And that's a wrap. Yeah. I hope you found the answer you were looking for. If you did, take a second to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. And let me know in the comments which solution worked best for you. See you next time in the debug zone.